Used these before, but this is going to be a game changer for your packing, traveling, organizing, tidying up kind of game. This is perfect for me. I love when I travel. I'm going to be able to stick a ton of clothes in one of these bags. You're going to vacuum, seal it, and it's going to make you have 80% more space. So your clothes are going to go from this much to this much, and you can put so many more things in your suitcase. Another thing that I love to use these for is when I'm trying to change over my summer clothes to my winter clothes. So I don't have to worry about my clothes getting musty, taking up so much space in all of my containers. You can simply seal them, vacuum, and you're gonna be dust-free, mite-free, no harsh smells. When you take your clothes out after the season's over, you're gonna be fresh and ready to go. So what you guys are gonna get in this kit are gonna be small bags, and that's perfect for 6 to 8 pieces of clothing. Medium bags, that's gonna be for 8 to 10 pieces of clothing. Large bags, and that is going to be 10 to 12 pieces of clothing. And then you're gonna get a jumbo bag, and that's gonna be perfect for 4 pillows, you guys. So look at the size of that and how much you're gonna be able to put in there. So once you put that in there, seal it up, vacuum it up, like I said, 80% of space is gonna be saved. Then what else you're gonna get are these little plastic pieces that you're gonna be able to, once you seal your stuff, that's gonna help really get all of the air out and sealed perfectly. So nothing's gonna open up. Then you're gonna get this pump. You're gonna open up this airway valve, and then you're gonna pump all of that air out. So that's where you're gonna be able to suction that up. It's also gonna work perfect for a vacuum and an electric pump. So 3 different ways to be able to do this. Let's go seal some items, and I wanna show you how fun and easy it is to do. Guys, how incredible is this? This is probably 12 shirts. They are smaller. I was able to get it in a small bag. Look at how sealed these are. These are gonna have no dust mites, no weird smell. I can store this so easily. This is gonna be incredible for all of the rest of my clothes. Traveling, like I said, I can't wait to do this with my blankets, my pillows. Organizing is gonna be so much fun. I hope you guys learned something in this video. Go get yourselves your own vacuum sealing bags. As you guys saw, that was super fun, quick, easy to do. I can't wait to organize my entire house, and I hope you do the same. Thanks for watching.